Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will create server block on NGINX server. Okay, let's jump in. Right here, I have created Ubuntu server on Amazon like Shell, and we have connected with Termius, and we can connect. We can check the status of NGINX. NGINX right now is running, and we can access it from the public IP. And also before we already installed PHP as PHP processor from PHP version 8.2.12, and we have connected with the web server Nginx. I have the first one. I have created domain for nginx.withhenry.tech to our server, to this server right here. We need to make a custom virtual host or server block on Nginx. The default one is right here. We can see the default configuration nginx is etc/nginx/nginx.conf. You can see right here that nginx include the code from etc nginx conf.d and anything with .conf extension. So we need to make a new one. etc nginx conf.d, might be we name it as a subdomain name nginx with henry.tech.conf. Don't forget the last extension .conf. Okay, the first one we need to enter is the server block. This is the configuration that notice first time of nginx web server. We need to enter for listen. This is for which port is this configuration of this server listening. We enter port 80 for right now. The second one is the root folder. We will make folder right here, nginx, and we need also calls index for which file is served when the server reach. Index.php, index.html. I think that's enough. And the important one is we have created the domain name, and also we point the domain name to this server. So we need to insert the server block, server name, I'm sorry, and we name it to our domain, also domain, like here, nginx.withhenry.tech. So when the client access for nginx.withhenry.tech, it will point to our server, and with our server, nginx server, will search for server name with the domain name, right here, nginx.withhenry.tech. Okay, so the next one is location block. For the default one, we need to enter this, and we insert try files URI or URI directory. If nothing found, we give the response with 404 for not found configuration. And because we already installed PHP FPM, so we need also enter for a file with the extension of PHP. Also with curly bracket, insert the close one. Like here, we need to enter the first one is it's called force CGA pass, and we need to enter the value of what PHP FPM is listened to. So in our server, it's in run PHP 8.2-fpm.sock. This is the our PHP FPM is listened to, and the second one is CGI index is index.php. Next is first CGA param, and we need to enter script file name to document root and first CGA script name. And the last one is we need to include the first CGA param. Okay, this is the default one or the simplest one for nginx server block, and we add another block for PHP file to test our server later. The first one is listen to, and the second one is root index file server name. Because we enter the domain name for the server. If we no domain or default one, we can enter underscore. And next is location for root directory. The server will try to search file in sbase URI, request file name or request directory, or will return 404 for not found. And we create for location block which PHP file is processed. The first CGI pass is to our Unix PHP FPM listen to. Next, first CGI index for index file. First CGI param, script name, and include first CGI param. Okay, we hit Control X. We need to save yes and hit enter. Now we check our configuration if there is mistype or something's broken. Okay, we can see the etc nginx.conf test is successful, which means our new file is also no mistype or error in configuration because this file is included in nginx.conf. We reboot the nginx service, restart, I mean. Now we can check on our browser with domain name nginx with henry.tech. Okay, it's already to our server but not found. It's okay, it's correct because we don't create, because we have not created the folder. So we need to make a new folder in var u and nginx. Okay, I forgot the sp. And we create a PHP file in var www nginx and index.php. We can enter the same for maybe PHP info. Control X again, yes, enter, and we can reload the server right now because we create the file is index.php and the default one from the configuration when we access the site is index.php, so it will open for us. This is the same from this one before. Maybe you can try to make a new file, test.php. Can search for maybe PHP and we can echo welcome to my site. Okay, we can try to access info.php, info test.php. Can see welcome to my site. Okay, that's it. How we can create NGINX server block for custom domain or subdomain. We hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our video. YouTube will love it. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.